Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a 7-day challenge trying out this hair potent to see if my hair grows or not. If you guys don't know, I'm actually in a hair journey letting my hair grow up to my knees. So I'm going to be trying out this potent recipe to see if it works or not. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I already have my glass bowl ready to mix all of the ingredients in. And I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients like this one. The first thing that I'm going to be needing is the cinnamon sticks, and I'm using this brand of great value. I actually got this at Walmart, and I'm going to be using the whole bottle, which is approximately 4 to 5 cinnamon sticks. I'm also going to be using some star anise, and this is about half a cup of star anise, and this is the brand that I'm actually using. I'm also going to be using some cloves, and this is 1/4 of a cup. The brand that I'm using is also from Great Value and also from Walmart, and it's organic. And the next thing is ginger. I cut small pieces of ginger, approximately 10 little pieces. And you're also going to be using 14 ounces of water, and I actually boiled the 14 ounces of water. It was distilled water. I forgot to mention that I also added some rosemary. I added about 5 leaves of rosemary just to make it smell better, and you know that rosemary actually has great benefits also. So I'm just gonna go and put everything together. I'm gonna put it on low heat for about 10 minutes, let it steep a little bit and let it cool off. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like at the end. Once it's already cooled, you put it in a spritz bottle, and now it's ready for you to use. I'm gonna be focusing spritzing on the first day, on all of the 7 days, using my little brush, my little clips, and I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on my roots. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in for about 2 to 3 hours, or another option would be applying it in the morning and rinsing off at night. Or vice versa, you can also put it at night and just rinse it off in the morning. I just basically like to switch the times, whatever works for me. You should do whatever works for you. And also just to keep in mind that since we use a lot of these ingredients and cinnamon and cloves, just be safe and be sure that you're not allergic to any of these ingredients. You might just want to try it on a small area of your scalp or a small area of your skin just to be on the safe side. Once I'm done spritzing on my hair, I'm going to be using this pink brush that I got at Dollar Tree. It's very good for massaging the roots and give it a nice circulation boost. So I'm going to be doing that for about 2 minutes, just giving it a light massage, and just leave it on for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so it's now the second day. Let me confess something real quick. This second day, I felt that a little stingy sensation on my scalp. It could have been the cloves or it could have been the cinnamon. Maybe I did add it too much, but this is the way I like my own recipe. So just be careful with that sensation, or maybe if it's too itchy, you might just want to go ahead and add more water to it. And the water that I used was actually distilled water, and the way that I like to store my recipe is in the fridge. And this lasted me very good. It did not mold or anything. It did not smell bad at all. I really liked it. And yeah, I just kept on focusing on my roots and doing the same thing all of these days. Just spritz it on my roots, do a light massage for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then just leave it out throughout the day. We are on our third day and I still have that sensation in my scalp, like that tingly sensation. Could be, like I said, the cinnamon or the cloves, but I'm still going out for it. I'm still trying to see if this recipe works or not on my hair, and I have a good feeling that it might actually work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on going strong during the 7 days, and we'll see if we're gonna see some results. Okay, so on our 4th day here trying this recipe, I did not have the sensation anymore, that tingly feeling. So it finally went away after this 4th day, and I basically just am doing the same thing over and over again. So it seems like it's working, guys. Fifth day of going on doing this 7-day challenge. This is getting really comfortable to work with. Actually, I really like this smell of the recipe. I usually don't like the smell of cinnamon, but this smell is just really just neutral to me. So I really am enjoying this 7-day challenge because it doesn't smell gross or anything. We're on to our 6th day, just one more day for us to finish our 7-day challenge. And I think we are getting there. We are going slowly but surely, but I do have a feeling we might get those results in. So let's just hope and see. One more day. Here we go. Yay, you guys, we finally did it. Now it's time to get those results in. Remember, my hair used to be in 31 inches before I did this experiment. So now we're going to go ahead and measure to the best of our ability, because I'm measuring this by myself. So it's a little bit difficult, but nonetheless, let's see if we can go ahead and measure that. And it kind of looks like we are getting some results. And our results are, drum roll please, 31 and a half. So we got 31 and a half, about half an inch. It grew in 7 days. It's actually not bad. It's pretty good. I measured this a couple of times to see if it was actually precise, and I kept on getting the same number. So just, I think it really does work. And so yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think about it. If you liked it or not. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.